Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA 3.4 and let me share with you how to allow the TalkBack mode, so how to turn it on or off in this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now we have to scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here actually on the third position we've got the TalkBack, so let's tap on it, and before turning it on just by tapping on the switcher, let's enter the settings because here we can customize it. So as I said, here we've got quite plenty of options which we can personalize. So for example, you can decide if you'd like to speak the passwords, if you'd like to feel the vibration feedback, if you'd like to leave turn on audio ducking. What's more, you can activate single tap activation or show context menu as list. What's more, you can set the gestures. So after tapping on the gestures, you can see that here you've got the list of gestures which you can customize. So for example, you can decide what you want to do after swiping up or left or right. Just by tapping on the option, you will open much more details and you will be able to, for example, set back button. So after swiping right, you will use, let's say, a back button. So I highly recommend to have fun with this section because thanks to this you can really customize this option. But let me leave it like this and let me turn on the TalkBack. So as I said, just tap on the switcher here and now your device is telling you that the TalkBack needs to have full control of your device. So it has to view and control the screen and to view and perform actions. So let's tap on allow and we should hear the feedback. And as you can hear, the feedback, the TalkBack is on. What's more, your device opened the tutorial. So if you will turn on the TalkBack for the very first time, it will open it, and of course you can go through it and learn how to use this mode. But I will show you the shortcut of it. If, for example, your device accidentally turned on the TalkBack and you have no idea what you have to do. So, okay, let's begin with choosing something or entering the app because you can do it the same way. All you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. You'll see a green frame around it and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to activate that. As you can see, we just got back to the very first page of the tutorial, so let me do it again and again. And let me get back to the general settings. And as you can see, here we are. So here I can show you how to swipe, and you have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way, and it's quite easy, or this way. But in my opinion, the first option is much easier. So well, actually here we've got the basics of the TalkBack, and thanks to knowing all of those steps, you will be able to use your device in order to, for example, turn it off. So in order to turn it off, we have to tap on the accessibility and double tap, tap on the TalkBack, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on stop and double tap. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. So actually that's all. This is how to use the TalkBack mode in your NOKIA 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.